Dr. Subarna, see in SETU, what we do, we kind of heavily focus the training which are 100% hands-on,
Yes.
right? So we say that you truly learn something when you actually learn how to apply it in kind of real business cases, solving them and be able to articulate it, like see the end-to-end journey of a actual data project, and then you get the better understanding. What would be some of your suggestions for one such course structure, and how do you think we can bring the best for our learners?
So in terms of course structure, I think you already must have embedded it in your course structure, but I would just suggest this, that first of all, hands-on is very important. As you said, it's otherwise there is no point in coming to data science. So hands-on learning is the integral, if not the most important part of it. So but before that, I would suggest, and I have done this whenever I have given floated a course in my company itself. So a quick primer on probability, okay, and statistics, testing of hypothesis, then the distribution, different types of distribution, uh, uh, basically whatever we have learned in our 11th and 12th statistics courses. Okay, so that is important. Means we should at least give them an idea about how this whole thing works. Once they are familiar with all this, and also I am sure that you will be also having lab sessions on Python programming and others. So then once they are on the basics, so I'd say that then they can move on to the other different types of models, and that will not be very difficult. Okay, so
I mean, you are absolutely bang on. And I totally believe that without understanding the core concepts of statistics, hypothesis testing, and probability theory, actually any other ML learning is a very superficial level learning.
yeah.
Like even within a data tree, like you will have all the chi-square distributions, right? And the chi-square test, which are hypothesis test of fitness of good. So question will be like, if you don't understand that part, how will you grasp the decision tree at all, right? So absolutely on that side.